Craving a delicious and hassle-free meal? Then look no further than this amazing baked chicken with harissa sauce. Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. This recipe is all about letting your appliances do the work while you enjoy the incredible flavor explosion. We marinate the chicken in a savory blend of aromatic ingredients like garlic, onion, and fennel, along with smoky paprika, creamy Greek yogurt, tangy Dijon mustard, and a squeeze of lemon juice. But wait, there's more. The star of the show is the homemade harissa sauce. We blend up roasted red peppers, a kick of Fresno chili, fresh garlic, and a symphony of dried spices, and a splash of lemon juice to create a sauce that's both vibrant and addictive. So, are you ready to take your taste buds on an adventure? Let's get cooking. We will start by preparing the marinade sauce for the baked chicken. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next, add 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. The lemon and yogurt help act as a tenderizer, helping to break down the tough muscle fibers in the meat. Now add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. For a bit of smoky flavor, add 1 teaspoon of dried paprika. Add half teaspoon of dried fennel to add a subtle, licorice-like sweetness. Season with 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, for a bit of earthy taste, add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped parsley. Give it a quick stir with a whisk. Now, while whisking, drizzle about 3 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil. Throw in about 8 to 10 pieces of chicken thighs and coat the chicken well. For the juiciest and most flavorful chicken, marinate it in a fridge for at least 3 hours before baking. Ready to cook? Choose your weapon. Bake the chicken on a baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes for a classic juicy result. For a crispy perfection, air fry for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, make sure that the internal temperature of the thickest part of the chicken is 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to make a simple harissa sauce that doesn't require any cooking. This simple, no-cook harissa sauce is a delicious shortcut to traditional North African cuisine. We found that in our take on the recipe, the flavors are just phenomenal. As you can see, we just sliced 2 red bell peppers in half and placed them on a baking tray. Next, we broiled them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the skin is nicely charred. Place them in a mixing bowl and cover for 20 minutes. Now we can easily remove the skin. By removing the skin, we found the pepper tends to offer rich and deeper flavor. Of course, you can skip all these steps and just purchase a jar of roasted red bell pepper, and that will be fine too. Now, using a blender or food processor, add the roasted red bell peppers, 4 cloves of garlic. This is optional because we like a hint of licorice flavor again. Add 1 teaspoon of caraway seeds. Next, add half teaspoon of ground coriander, half teaspoon of ground cumin. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. For the heat, we choose Fresno chili, but you can use habanero, baclaute peppers, and even dried chili or chili flakes. Use 1 Fresno chili for lesser heat or 2 for medium intensity. Now add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Start blending at medium speed. If you prefer it chunky, you can stop it whenever you want. But for us, we like it smooth. Put it in a jar, enclose, and you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, where it can be used as a condiment. There are several ways to enjoy them. One is to simply serve the harissa sauce as the dipping sauce as a snack. Another way is to serve the harissa sauce hot from the saucepan and serve it with the chicken and your favorite sides. In this case, we added some cooked quinoa to keep it healthy. And there you go, an easy follow recipe that you can make at home that will fulfill your craving for mouth-watering, juicy and well-seasoned chicken accompanied by a sauce that will bring a zesty kick to your palate. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do, please give us a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. With that, we will see you next time for more quick, easy and delicious recipes.